I want you to watch how easily this is to get this lace, which I painted this lace, the color of the fabric, so that I could put this on the edge of this bias jacket. And I want you to see how easily, if you just offset this fabric, which is rayon, and the lace is actually a polyester lace, which I use Dynaflow paints on. It's kind of like a very, very thin, almost a dye paint, but it's very thin, so it's real watery. So it can look like a watercolor. But anyway, this is very easy. You just set your fabric out just a little bit, widen your stitch width, and you're going zigzag. And do you see how this is rolling and wrapping this fabric right over top of the edge of that lace? And then when you get finished, you have it curled up into that lace, and you'll have a real clean edge, and it'll be real thin on this side. And then when you press this, this will go down really nice and flat.